Oh god, so heavy. So I just got a new mystery box. Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be super exciting because I'm back with a new mystery box video. As you can see on my desk, we've got a huge mystery box. Now I don't know who sent this package to me, and I'm not sure what's inside this box. So I guess this video is going to be super fun and exciting. Alright then, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and tear the packaging. There is nothing written on the box, guys. It's a huge box and is quite heavy. There's nothing written on it, just a plain empty cardboard box. So we just have to open it and see what do we have on the inside. Okay, let's do this. Is this what I think it is? Oh god, I just have to take it out and see first. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. This is a brand new PC gaming case from NZXT. That too, this is the new refresh of their H series. You guys remember a few months ago I've actually made a video on their new H700 gaming cabinet. I've also made a special Intel based gaming PC. If you haven't watched that, I'll leave a link to that in the card above. You can check it out there. So now they've come up with a new refresh of their cabinets. Previously it was the 500 and 700 series. Now it's the 510 and 710 series. The one they sent me, NZXT, is the H510 Elite Edition Gaming PC Mid-Tower Cabinet. Wow, that is so awesome. Alright, can't wait to unbox and check out how this beautiful case looks like. So first let me give you an overview on the box packing. The NZXT's new H510 Elite comes in this sort of box packing. We've got a picture of the product on the front, and just like all the other NZXT products, we've got the same white and purple theme all over the box. We've got NZXT branding over here, and this new case comes with a lot of upgrades which I'll be telling you in this video. So let's see what else is written on the box packing. We've got one more picture of the H510 Elite PC case on the other side. And talking about the colors, this case comes in two different colors, matte black and matte white. I'm not sure which one the company has sent me right now. I hope that this is the matte white variant because the H series cabinets look quite attractive in white color. Alright then, let's open the box and take the cabinet out. Here we go. Oh guys, looks like we've got the white color H510 cabinet. Nice! Let me turn it upside down and take the case out of the box. So here it is, our brand new H510 Elite Matte White Edition PC case from NZXT. Wow, looks beautiful from my first impressions. The design is still pretty much the same as their previous H500 series cabinet. The only major change that's visible right out of the box is they've added a new tempered glass on the front as well to showcase their beautiful RGB fans on the inside. The NZXT's H510 Elite is a compact ATX mid-tower cabinet that is great for RGB PC builds. It's got a modern looking squarish design that looks clean yet elegant. Talking about the build quality is good. The cabinet has an all steel construction that is coated in a matte white paint job and features two tempered glass panels, one on the side and the other one on the front. And behind that front glass panel, you'll observe that the case comes with AER RGB2 fans from NZXT to give a beautiful look to the case. Coming to the top section, the case has a provision to fix either a 120 or a 140mm fan and has all the I/O ports and buttons on the front. Let me give you all a closer look. There's a power button with an integrated HDD indicator, only one USB 3.1 port, a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port and a 3.5mm audio jack. So these were all the available ports and buttons on it. There's nothing much on the other side except for a lot of vents to let the heat escape and maintain a good airflow in the cabinet. And before I give you all an inside view, let's also check out the backside. It's got a minimalistic design with cutouts for different components, has multiple dust filters on the inside, supports vertical GPU mounting, and also has a removable radiator mounting bracket. So that was our look at the design and the build quality. Now let me show you what's on the inside. As I've told you, it's got a removable tempered glass panel on the side which is fixed by a single screw at the back. Just unscrew it and pull the glass backwards to remove the panel. And that is how you open it. On the inside, you can see that the H510 Elite has a beautiful black and white color scheme that will give a decent look to your build. Just like all the other NZXT cases, even this one has that iconic cable management bar with the NZXT logo. And the overall finishing of the product looks pretty good. The case supports most of the motherboards like Mini ITX, Micro ATX as well as ATX, and along with two AER RGB fans on the front, it also comes with a regular 120mm fan at the rear, so you get a total of 3 fans pre-fitted with the case. Let me show you the front section as well. You can observe the AER RGB2 fans over here. And one more thing I have to tell you guys is, in case if you plan to use a 240mm or a 280mm liquid cooler, you have to remove these 2 fans on the front in order to fix the radiator. Else you can directly fix a 120mm radiator at the top or also at the rear side. And yes, I forgot to mention, the H510 Elite also comes with an integrated RGB LED strip at the top. The side panel on it is fitted with 2 screws, opening which exposes the other half. This section is mainly organized for cable management, PSU, and the storage drive installation. Just like the previous 500 series, even the new H510 Elite is a smart case that comes with a new and improved NZXT Smart Device V2 controller, which takes care of all the RGB lighting and the fan control on your PC. As you can see, all the cables over here are nicely organized with cable ties and straps, so your build will look very clean and neat. It's got 2 SSD drive mounts over here, and the hard disk cage and the power supply section on the bottom. There's also an accessory box over here which includes a user manual and a packet of screws, cable ties and all the other stuff. So that's it, that was our complete overview on the NZXT's newest H510 Elite RGB PC case. It's a beautiful looking PC case. At first you might be like, okay, it's a simple, decent looking case, but once you're done with building your PC using the H510 Elite, you will be completely mesmerized by how gorgeous this case looks like, especially those AER RGB2 fans on the front. The build quality is good, love the looks of the case, has 2 tempered glass panels, and not to forget, it's a smart case. So guys, I'll be using this case and building a gaming PC soon with it. Just let me know in which budget range you want me to do this, and I'll get the parts accordingly. My only complaint with the case is, it only has one USB port on the front panel. The company should have provided more. Anyways, that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.